SMAC 320-ton CNC electro-hydraulic servo press brake, widely used in bending applications such as sheet metal fabrication, HVAC, automotive, new energy industries and so on. Precise angles, perfect forming. Laser safety protection device, ensure safety of operators. Integrating advanced mechanical structures, hydraulic systems and intelligent CNC control ensure high-speed and high-precision bending performance. Electrical system passes North American certification like CSA, CUL. Multi-language interface for diverse operation needs. Automatic bending solutions, flexible, stable, efficient.